Hello viewers, welcome to Cooking Filmed on a Potato. There you go, that saves any of you making that rather dreary joke in the comments section. I'm going to make a lunch in kit form, if you like. This one is by Feastbox, lots of other ones are available, and all the ingredients come to your door in a box. It's enough for exactly 2 people or 4 people with instructions and so on. It costs, I'm going to have to put this in a caption because I've forgotten, somewhere between £5 and £6 for 2 people, which I think is quite reasonable. You could probably do it a little bit cheaper if you went to the shops and bought all the bits, but it's a lot cheaper than Deliveroo. What is it, I hear you cry? It is chicken Penang curry. I'm going to show you the ingredients in a minute. It comes with a very comprehensive set of instructions, and then on the other side of this piece of cardboard there's a picture of what it's supposed to look like when you've finished. Now, on the downside, this does come with quite a bit of packaging. For example, it all comes wrapped up in this scrap wool thing, and the little packets of spices and so on come in these drawstring bags, and I don't see that there's any provision for returning these, which seems a bit wasteful. On the other hand, you get exactly as much food as you need, which means you don't end up with a packet of 6 kaffir leaves 6 months later that you have to throw in the compost, or a seed potato that becomes of interest to the anti-terrorist squad. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So on the left we have an onion, you probably got that one, some leaves, garlic and pepper crushed and so on, jasmine rice, sorry I forgot to say that this came with jasmine rice, little pots of spices, coconut milk, my lethally sharp carbon steel Japanese knives, that is Thai basil, this is a Thai dish, lemongrass, coriander, that did look a bit fresher than that, I'm afraid I've left this 2 days, and my diced chicken, and my glass of Sancerre. Right, here we go then, and according to the instructions, the preparation time is 20 minutes and the cooking time is 35 minutes. They never put on these things tidying up time, which is the big one. Obviously these walls are going to be covered in curry sauce and there's going to be bits of fried onion all over the floor. Does it work? I've never done one of these before. Let's find out. Sorry, that was a small burp. Right, that's the result. It's now going to be tested by a mystery woman. Mystery woman?
Lovely.
Really? Is it?
Yeah, very tasty, quite spicy and hot.
Good.
But very, very good flavour.
Right, conclusions. It is actually very easy and it is very tasty. The whole thing took me, I didn't actually time it, but it was as long as it took me to polish off this bottle of very expensive Sancerre, so we'll say 40 minutes, 45 minutes. The portion of rice is a little bit too mean. I put about 20% extra in, and you end up with slightly too much curry juice. We've still got this much left, about, I don't know, half a pint or so. But that's not a bad thing actually, because what I'm going to do is parboil some basic vegetables that we've got in the kitchen. So some potatoes, some carrots, a bit of broccoli. Put them in that, leave them overnight so that the flavours get right into the depths of the food rather than just on the surface. And then tomorrow evening we'll cook some more rice, warm that up very gently in the oven and have leftovers. And as we know, leftovers are better. Thank you, goodbye.